here again to show you a little video to help navigate library life. This one is how to pick out an early reader. You're sitting, reading a book with your child and pointing to the words as you read them. All of a sudden, your child starts reading some of the words with you. That's great! They're ready to read. But how do you pick out the just right book for your child? Maybe your child has been reading for a little bit. Maybe they're just starting to recognize those sight words. Well, let me show you the early reader section and help you find a just right book. Here at the library, we have already split the early readers into 3 levels. In the beginning here is level 1. They will have from 1 to 2 words per page to short sentences. They will often be repetitive, have large text that's easy to read, and the illustrations will reflect the text. Level 2 books will have more complex words and sentences and less dependency on repetition and illustrations. And as we go further, we have level 3. The level 3 will have, you guessed it, longer and more complex words and sentences. The vocabulary will be richer, topics less familiar, and more pages per book. Keep in mind, our level 3 is 3 and up. So there are some, especially in our new nonfiction readers over here, that if we had a level 4 or 5, they might be there. But that doesn't mean you can't enjoy them together. Now, within these levels, there's still a wide range of reading ability. So I recommend the 5-finger test. So grab a book that you think might be within your child's reading range. Open it up to a random page in the middle. Now, hold your fist up and let your child read this page. So 0 to 1 fingers means that this book is easy for your reader. It can be okay to read these books occasionally, especially if your child is really excited about that book. It will add to their confidence, but it shouldn't be all that they read. Now, if they're within 2 or 3 fingers, this might be the perfect choice for your reader. This book will help your reader grow, and it is just challenging enough. Now, when you start getting to 4 or 5 fingers, this might be a little bit too challenging. But if your child is really excited about this book, go ahead and try it. If it's more than 5, then this book is really too hard and they will likely get frustrated. And we don't want frustrated readers. But if you still want to read that, it can still be a great book to read together. If you ever need a reminder on our early reader levels or finding a just right book, we have a handy dandy sign up here for you. When your child becomes a reader, don't forget to go back to those picture books and still read to them, or even read a reader with them. Picture books are technically recommended for up to 3rd grade, but I know that even me as an adult, I really enjoy a lot of the books found there. You can even start to read chapter books together. Remember, the goal is to create a lifelong reader, and to do that, we just need to have fun. See you later, everyone. Bye.